Picture this, a world where every waking moment feels like a struggle, where your body is desperately trying to communicate, but you're not quite catching the signals. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of 9 low testosterone symptoms, and trust me, you're in for a revelation. But before we dive into this journey, smash that like button and subscribe because what's coming is about to change the way you view your own well-being. Now, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey through the unexpected, the subtle whispers your body might be sharing with you. These 9 symptoms are like hidden messages that, once decoded, can reshape your understanding of health. Have you ever felt like your energy is drained, your zest for life has taken a backseat, and you're left wondering why? Today, we're not just talking symptoms, we're creating scenes, painting a vivid picture of the silent struggles your body might be going through. First symptom, fatigue. Struggling to get out of bed, repeatedly hitting the snooze button. We're starting off with a scenario we've all been in, the relentless battle against fatigue. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. What if I told you that your body is sending signals that go beyond just feeling tired? Symptom number 1, fatigue. You wake up feeling like you've run a marathon, struggling to find the energy to face the day. Your body is trying to tell you something. 2, reduced sex drive. Moving on to symptom number 2, reduced sex drive. Your once vibrant intimacy has dwindled, and you're left wondering why. Your body might be giving you a signal about your testosterone levels. So stick with me as we dive deep into each symptom, revealing scenes that resonate with you more than you might expect. And by the end, you'll have a comprehensive guide that could reshape your perspective on your own health. Let's continue. 3, reduced erectile function. Next up, symptom number 3, reduced erectile function. If you're facing challenges where you didn't before, it's time to pay attention. Your body communicates, and it's important to listen. 4, loss of body hair. Symptom number 4, loss of body hair. That extra shedding you've noticed might not be a seasonal thing. It could be your body signaling changes in testosterone levels. 5, less beard growth. Visual, person looking at themselves in the mirror, disappointed by sparse beard growth. Moving on to symptom number 5, less beard growth. If your facial hair isn't as robust as it used to be, it's more than just a grooming concern. Your body is revealing insights. 6, loss of lean muscle mass. Symptom number 6, loss of lean muscle mass. Feeling weaker, noticing a decline in muscle tone? Your body is providing valuable information about your overall health. 7, feeling very tired all the time, fatigue. Constantly yawning and struggling to stay awake. Returning to a familiar territory, fatigue. Symptom number 7, feeling very tired all the time. It's not just about waking up tired, it's a persistent, nagging exhaustion. 8, obesity, being overweight. Struggling to zip up pants that used to fit. Symptom number 8, obesity. If you've noticed unexpected weight gain, it's not just about aesthetics. Your body composition might be linked to your testosterone levels. 9, symptoms of depression. Sadness, isolation. Finally, symptom number 9, symptoms of depression. Feeling emotionally weighed down? It could be connected to your testosterone levels, affecting both your physical and mental well-being. But before we plunge into these scenes, remember, this video is your guide, not a substitute for professional advice. The description holds a detailed roadmap, and your healthcare professional is your ultimate companion on this journey. Tips. Boosting testosterone through a healthy lifestyle involves incorporating specific foods and practices that support hormonal balance. Here are some tips. 1. Balanced diet. Include plenty of whole foods rich in nutrients like zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Examples include lean meats, fish, nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables. 2. Adequate protein intake. Protein is essential for hormone production, including testosterone. Include sources like lean meats, eggs, dairy, and plant-based options like legumes and tofu in your diet. 3. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats are crucial for hormone production, including testosterone. 4. Vitamin D. Get regular sun exposure or consider taking a vitamin D supplement. Vitamin D plays a role in testosterone production, and many people have insufficient levels. 5. Regular exercise. Engage in both resistance training and aerobic exercises. Resistance training, like weightlifting, has been shown to boost testosterone levels, while aerobic exercises contribute to overall health. 6. Adequate sleep. Prioritize quality sleep as it plays a crucial role in hormone regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. 7. Stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to hormonal imbalances. Incorporate stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine. 8. Limit alcohol and processed foods. Excessive alcohol consumption and processed foods high in sugars and unhealthy fats can negatively impact testosterone levels. Moderation is key. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight can contribute to hormonal imbalances. Aim for a healthy weight through a combination of balanced nutrition and regular exercise. 10. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health, including hormone production. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. There you have it, a captivating exploration of the 9 low testosterone symptoms that demand your attention. If this journey resonates with you, hit that like button, share it with those who need it, and let's spread awareness. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay captivated, stay healthy.